When I created this project, I wanted to create something that was really accessible. By that I mean I wanted to create as few obstacles as possible between the student and the creating and the learning and the fun. That's why I created all these assets for you and the students to use. They're all ready to go. The transparency has been applied, and they can just simply drop them into their composition or their animation. This project requires After Effects, which is a professional program used by the film and animation industry. My second priority was to ensure that the challenge level was scalable so that students that found the particle generators intimidating or overwhelming, they could simply take the pre-made video of snowflakes and throw it in their animation, and that's it. Other students who are more adventuresome can play with the particle generator and the effects until they get whatever they're looking for. If you're not familiar with particle generators, these are plugins within After Effects that create things like sparks, smoke, bubbles, breaking glass, things like that. This little clip here that you see was created by my grade 12s when we were making a short animated film. They drew all the backgrounds and animated that. You can see the submarine, which we took pictures of, and the bubbles were created by the students. They created a custom bubble to use, and they animated it in there. If you take a look at this clip, you'll see the details in the figures and the background and in the movement in the snow. Students can create realistic snow, magical snow, even replace the snowflakes with things like leaves or anything else that they can think of. Say, for example, they could use balloons and make a snow globe, happy birthday snow globe. This project really allows students to be creative. They can use the assets provided or add to them with pictures that they pick up from the internet or pictures that they've taken of their family, friends, their school, their toys. And I hope that your students and you have as much fun with this project as I did creating it.